Hello.
We're here in Mika's Brookfield house and we will see their house. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's see the
Let's go
second
up.
floor
This is the stair and you will see color pink.
and toilet.
This
This is
is
the
brown.
first room.
More nice. This is fun.
There's two cabinets. The two cabinets is color green. And the door is color green.
Yellow.
Oh. Let's
And
go to
they
the
are-
second room.
Arab.
This is the Santa
See the
Nino.
door?
Santa Nina?
See the door?
And this
Color
is the second
It's color pink.
Old cabinet is there.
This is
Oh my god, what is that? Ano ba yan?
Kuya Marcos.
Ano yung bumagsak? Aray ko. Ano yung bumagsak?